Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss about the browser automation using Selenium. We are going to use Python and Selenium to automate the browser. Okay, first you have to basically install Python and then install Selenium. So let's start from the beginning. You can download Python, okay, from this website. This is the official one, and you can download the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.1. I have already downloaded it, so I will not going to install it again. After that, you will simply open the command prompt and install Selenium. So in my case, I have the requirement is already satisfied because I already installed the Selenium. So there is a new release of pip is available. I can install this one to upgrade the pip. So basically, first you need to install Python, and then after installing Python, you need to install Selenium using pip install Selenium. Then move it to your favorite code editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, which is one of the best editor. You can simply write. First, you need to import Selenium. Sorry. Uh, so basically, I'm importing WebDriver from this class selenium.webdriver.chrome.webdriver. And I'm using sleep so that I can pause my execution. Now, after that, we will be calling this WebDriver class. We will be creating the driver object here and calling the WebDriver class. So let's use this website demowebstep.tresentist.com, and after that let's sleep for 1 second, and shall we run the program? Okay, so open the terminal, run python test.py. So you see it has opened the Chrome browser, and it will open the this website. It seems like this website is not up, so we can move to other website then. Let's move to google.com or linkedin.com, or let's move to this one. Okay, I'm closing this. I'm basically I want to open this website in my browser. So I will run this python test.py. Let's wait for some time. Okay, okay. This is taking time, but I hope you get the idea.